Hi, Lisa. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. It's a nice day, isn't it? Look at the view outside.
Yes, it's beautiful. The park looks so green and peaceful.
I agree. Sometimes I go jogging there on weekends.
Really? That sounds nice. Do you jog every weekend?
Not every weekend, but maybe twice a week. I like to run early in the morning when it's cool and quiet.
That's good exercise. I wish I could do that, but I'm not a morning person.
I understand. What do you like to do in your free time, Lisa?
Well, I love gardening. I have a small garden behind my house. I grow flowers and some vegetables.
Oh, that's wonderful. What kind of flowers do you grow?
I grow roses, sunflowers, and orchids. They make my garden look colorful.
Wow, orchids are beautiful, but a little hard to take care of, right?
Yes, they need the right amount of water and sunlight. But I enjoy it. It makes me feel relaxed after work.
That's nice. Do you grow vegetables too?
Yes, I grow tomatoes, lettuce, and chilies. Sometimes I cook with them.
That's great. Fresh vegetables from your own garden, healthy and delicious.
Thank you. What about you, Tom? Do you have any hobbies besides jogging?
Yes. I also like to play guitar in my free time.
Really? I didn't know that. Do you play well?
I think I'm okay. I started learning guitar when I was in high school.
That's nice. What kind of music do you play?
Mostly pop songs and sometimes soft rock. I like to play Ed Sheeran songs.
Oh, I love Ed Sheeran. His songs are so beautiful.
Yes, they are. Perfect is one of my favorites.
Mine too. I like Photograph. It's very touching.
Maybe one day I can bring my guitar to the office and play during lunchtime.
That would be fun. I'll bring some snacks and we can enjoy music together.
Deal. Do you like to sing, Lisa?
I like to sing, but my voice is not good.
That's okay. Singing is for fun, not for competition.
True. Sometimes I sing while I work in my garden. The flowers don't complain.
That's funny. Maybe they enjoy your singing.
Maybe. What else do you like to do on weekends, Tom?
Sometimes I watch movies or go out with friends.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and comedy movies. How about you?
I prefer romantic movies and documentaries.
Oh, interesting. Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, I love The Notebook. It's very emotional.
I've heard about it, but I haven't watched it yet.
You should watch it. It's a beautiful love story.
Okay, I'll add it to my weekend movie list.
Good. Maybe next week we can talk about it after you watch it.
Sure. And maybe I can show you a few guitar chords.
That sounds fun. We can have music and movie talks every Friday.
Smiles. Great idea, Lisa. It will make Fridays more enjoyable.
Yes, work can be stressful, so it's nice to have something relaxing to do.
Absolutely. So, this weekend, gardening for you and jogging for me?
Yes, and maybe a little singing in the garden.
Perfect. Have a nice weekend, Lisa.
You too, Tom. See you on Monday.